Greetings, Dr. T, Tucson Functional Medicine. Quick video today about an overview of the new portal with Practice Better. Okay, the first thing we need to do is go to the portal. So in whatever browser you use, type in my.practicebetter.io, and that'll take you to this screen right here. And then type in whatever email address you used to activate the program, and whatever password you used. And that will bring you into the program. And once you get into the program, this is the page that you will see. So if you ever get lost within the portal, just click on this word in the upper left corner, better, and this will always bring you back to this page. You see this little bell up here, and it has a red circle with a 4 in it, and this, just to the left of that bell, looks like a little dialog box. And if I have sent you a message or responded to a message that you have sent me, you'll have a little red circle here by the message, and it'll have a number in there. If I've uploaded a form to you or put something in your portal, you'll get a red circle here on the bell with a number in it. You will also get an email sent to the email address that you used in activating your portal to tell you that you have something going on. So there's many different ways to navigate through this, a lot of redundant ways. So this red circle at the bottom right with a plus in it, we call the quick action button. So you can click on this, and this allows you to send a message, request a session for an appointment, add a lifestyle entry, a food entry, but you can also do all of those over here. So here's send a message, this green one right here, add a lifestyle entry is the orange one, upload a document if you want to send me something, add a food or a mood entry, request an appointment, complete pending forms. So you can do it that way. You can do it through these big color boxes here towards the left middle. You can also click on these 3 bars up here, and this takes you to all exactly the same things again. So many different ways to do it if you ever forget one particular way. So if I click on this bell up here with the red circle with a 4, this will tell me I booked myself. I created this test market or this test portal. I booked myself in a session on Wednesday, tomorrow, at 9:15 in the morning. I've also booked a Zoom call today, 2 o'clock. And so we're going to go through and look at that because we've now linked Zoom to this program. So all you have to do is click on the icon that will take you through here in a minute. I uploaded a form to complete and another form to complete. So to do any of this, you just click on, if you want to see the form, you click on the new form to complete, click on that, and this will take you to the forms and waivers section of your portal, and these are the forms. So right here, I uploaded HIPAA notice of privacy practices. It has not been started, and if you want to complete it, you just click on complete. And all this is all your HIPAA laws on your privacy, and at the very bottom, you actually sign that you agree to these, that you've read them, that you understand. And then whenever you want to submit it, you just hit this green button at the bottom right, save and submit. Now, some of these forms are fairly long, like the intake form is fairly long, multiple pages, and it saves as you go. So if you can't complete the whole form at one time, it'll just save as you go, and you can always come back to it. So again, you'll notice that this now says 3, and it says 3 because we went and we looked at this particular one. So here I've booked you for a session. If you want to go look at it, you just click on it. If you don't, you want to remove it, you just hit the X here. You'll now notice the red circle says 2, and this one here, you can close that. Now it says 1. You can go in. So here's another form. This I put in this morning, a 3-day food journal. It's not started. You can complete it. You can click right in here. Now, once you get this done, so hit the big better up in the upper left-hand corner, takes you back to the main screen. Here is complete pending forms. So you'll see there's no red circle with a number because we've accessed or eliminated all the notices. You can always come back here to this yellow box, and here it takes you right back to the same place. Here's your HIPAA notices. Here is your 3-day food journal. If you do Zoom calls, we will have a folder in here which will be Zoom handouts or anything that we want to upload that we go over. Like all the testing that we run, we will have a folder in here for you called testing, and then each one of your tests will have its folder, so you have an easy way that you can um, get to all the information. Okay, you can also click on bookings right here, and this will take you to, we have a follow-up Zoom call this afternoon at 2 o'clock, and that's the one I want to show you. So you can click on this, you can join the session. This little movie camera like icon, you know, we no longer have to send you the details and then you click on it. You just click on this at the time of your appointment, and since the programs are connected, this just takes you right to our Zoom session. So you um, don't have to worry about any of the details or anything like this. So again, come right up back here up to better, takes you back um, to the home screen, and you'll see right here on your home screen, here's upcoming sessions. So today, the 28th of April, you have a Zoom call. Again, here's that icon that you can just click on, and that will take you right to the Zoom call. These 3 dots, you can always click on this, and you can confirm your appointment. If that's not going to work for you, you can reschedule your appointment, or you can cancel the appointment. And so we ask that you would confirm your appointment so that we know you're coming and we're not waiting for you. This messenger down here, or this green one right here, send a message. You click on this, and this takes you to the message screen between you and I. And you just put your cursor right down here. You type in whatever it is you want. You hit this little paper arrow, and it will put that message into this. It sends me a message that you have sent me, sends me an email that you have sent me a message. And it also, when I sign into my portal, I've got a little one here by my little communication thing, so I know that you have sent me a message. So again, you can always come, these 3 dots are always options. You can set in preferences, notification preferences, and here is the if we're going to communicate through video, we can do this. You can click on that if we've set up the time to do this, and that will allow you to connect that way. So this is, we can video conference messages, or we can actually just type messages. Again, always select better if you ever want to get back to the home screen. So there's many ways to get through this, but so we are moving to this one. This will just fit our needs better. I think it will do everything that we need and allow us to communicate easier and quicker. So this is the new portal. If there's any questions when you go into your portal, you can always send me a message about questions or call me and ask me in person. So big thing to remember is the bell up here is things that I have sent to you. This little box right here sends you to our actual messages. And if there's a new one, there will be a red circle with a number in it, and the same thing here. Again, always click better to get back to the major home screen. Gives you more options. So there's a lot of different ways to do things in this. So if there's any questions, it's just a quick overview. If there's any questions in more detail about something that you want to know about it, just send me a message or give us a call at the office, and we'll try to get you up to speed with that.